Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a cordless angle grinder, and that's what it looks like there. We'll just go ahead and open it up and I'll show you what all we have. So it comes with a few discs here. We have it even says what they are here. This one here says it is for metal stainless cutting. Probably the same metal stainless cutting. Same. This one here says it is for metal, and it's probably for sanding and getting the burrs off. This one here is a heavy duty one here for other stuff as well. So okay, so if we were to get out the grinder here, there we go. So this is it here, and we have the protective sleeve over it here that will go on there. See, do I have to unscrew it? Probably gonna have to unscrew it to put this one on here to get it to stay. Oh, there it is on there. Okay, so it'll be on this here, like that there. And then we have the little wrench, came with this as well, to put the tool on. So I just put the head on. So if I was to put one of the grinding discs on, whatever, I don't know which way it goes. This way. Okay, the grinding disc is on. What do I do with the little metal piece here? Okay, and I can there hold the button down to lock it into place and then tighten it up. We have a handle here. Screw it. I guess you could screw it on either side. Wait, if I'm doing it, I'll probably be doing it this way. Is it not going in? I'm just gonna put it on this side because I'm just not sure what it was. Okay, but whatever. So we got it like that. And then it looks like it's gonna use our Dewalt battery, so that will just slide right into place. And we are given the grinder. So we have the grinder. This thing here isn't really all screwed in tight yet, but you get the idea. I couldn't find anything great to cut, but I'll show you on a can. So I already tried it once. Like butter, especially through an aluminum can, but cut through the top and everything. Just makes a nice, good cut. So I'm gonna say this is a really nice grinder, and this is what it looks like here. It didn't even make a mark, but totally cool, really strong. So it's good, and it uses the 20 volt Dewalt batteries. This one here is a generic Dewalt battery, so it works with even those as well. So really cool. Definitely a good thing to have if you need a grinder. I definitely need one all the time, so very good. Thumbs up.